What's up everybody, Dan here, and welcome back to Wanderlust Adventurers. We're all about exploring the world without breaking the bank, and today, we're diving deep into how to make money while you travel. We're talking turning your adventures into a paycheck, funding your trips on the fly, and living that dream life. We've hit the Philippines, Australia, Japan, Taiwan, you name it, and we've learned a thing or two about making it work financially. Stick around if you're ready to turn your passion for travel into a sustainable lifestyle. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's do this. First up, let's talk about blogging. If you love writing and sharing your experiences, starting a travel blog can be a fantastic way to earn money. You can monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. It takes time to build an audience, but the rewards can be substantial. Next, consider vlogging. Creating travel videos for platforms like YouTube can be both fun and profitable. With enough views and subscribers, you can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even fan donations. Another great option is teaching online. If you're fluent in a language or have a skill to share, platforms like VIPKid or Teachable allow you to teach from anywhere in the world. Freelancing is also a viable path. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients globally. Don't forget about selling products. You can create and sell handmade crafts, digital products, or even dropship items through platforms like Etsy or Shopify. And of course, always look for local opportunities. Sometimes the best way to fund your travels is by picking up temporary work in the places you visit. The key is to be flexible and open to new experiences. The world is full of opportunities, and with a bit of creativity and determination, you can make your travel dreams a reality. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning, start hustling, and start living that travel lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Safe travels, everyone. Alright, first up, let's talk about online coaching. It's an exciting and flexible way to share your expertise with the world, no matter where you are or what you do. Now, this isn't just for fitness gurus or life coaches, although they are certainly thriving in this space. This is for anyone with a skill they can teach. Whether you're a master chef, a tech wizard, or a language expert, there's a place for you in the online coaching world. I've got friends making a killing teaching yoga online, giving business advice, and even offering creative writing workshops. The possibilities are endless. Even training dogs, all remotely. Imagine being able to help pet owners from the comfort of your home or while you're traveling the globe. The key here is to get certified. Certification not only boosts your credibility, but also gives you the confidence to charge what you're worth. Having that piece of paper, that digital badge, whatever, it shows you're serious, you know your stuff, and people are more likely to trust you with their hard-earned cash. It's a small investment for a potentially huge return. Platforms like Udemy or Coursera are your best friends here. They offer a wide range of courses to help you get certified in your chosen field. They've got courses for everything under the sun, from digital marketing to personal development, and even niche subjects like beekeeping or calligraphy. So get qualified, set up your virtual classroom, and start sharing that knowledge with the world. The beauty of online coaching is that you can do it from anywhere. Whether you're in a bustling city or a serene countryside, all you need is a laptop and an internet connection. Invest in some good quality equipment like a camera and microphone to ensure your sessions are professional and engaging. Your students will appreciate the effort you put into creating a great learning experience. Engage with your students, show enthusiasm, and be passionate about what you teach. Your energy will be contagious and will keep your students coming back for more. Always seek feedback and continuously improve your course content. This will help you stay relevant and provide the best possible learning experience for your students. Celebrate your successes no matter how small. Positive reviews and testimonials will not only boost your confidence, but also attract more students to your courses. So, what are you waiting for? Become an online coach today and start making a difference in people's lives while enjoying the freedom to work from anywhere. The world is your classroom. Next up, we've got freelancing. This is the ultimate freedom play. You're your own boss, you set your own hours, and you can work from literally anywhere with an internet connection. Writers, designers, developers, virtual assistants, the list goes on and on. The key to freelancing is building a killer portfolio. Show potential clients what you're capable of, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, even LinkedIn, they're your hunting grounds for finding clients. It takes hustle, but the freedom and earning potential are off the charts. Ever thought about writing a book? No, seriously. Imagine sitting in a cozy cafe, sipping on your favorite drink, and letting your thoughts flow onto the screen. It's a dream many have, but few pursue. Why not be one of the few? Everyone's got a story to tell, and with ebooks, it's easier than ever to get your words out there. Whether it's a thrilling adventure, a heartfelt memoir, or a guide on something you're passionate about, the possibilities are endless. Now, I'm not gonna lie, writing a book takes time. It takes dedication, but once it's done, it's done. That's passive income, baby. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your name on a book cover and knowing that your words are reaching people all over the world. People buy your book while you're off exploring some ancient temple. How cool is that? Picture yourself wandering through historical sites, soaking in the culture, and all the while, your book is out there, making sales. It's like having a little piece of you traveling the world, even when you're not. Platforms like Payhip, Selfie, even Amazon make it super easy to sell your ebook. These platforms handle the heavy lifting, from distribution to payment processing, so you can focus on what you do best, writing. So tap into that inner Hemingway, craft a compelling story, and watch the sales roll in. And remember, the more you write, the more you earn. It's a journey, but one that's incredibly rewarding. So what are you waiting for? Start writing today and turn your passion into profit. Alright, similar to ebooks, but with a little more dynamism, we've got online courses. This is where you take your knowledge, your expertise, and package it into an engaging online course. Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, Teachable, they're all hungry for quality content. Think about what you're passionate about, what you're good at, and create a course around it. Again, the hard work is up front, but once that course is live, it's there, working for you 24/7. People are learning, you're earning, everybody wins. Next up, let's talk about the world of e-commerce. Now you might be thinking, Dan, I don't have a warehouse, I'm traveling the world. That's where dropshipping comes in, my friend. With dropshipping, you don't even have to touch the product. You set up an online store, find awesome products, and when someone orders, the supplier ships it directly to them. It's a beautiful thing. Shopify is your best friend here. Easy to use, tons of integrations, it's the gold standard for e-commerce. Alright, now, this one's not for the faint of heart. Stock and crypto trading can be a roller coaster, but with the right knowledge and a whole lot of caution, it can be a lucrative way to grow your money while you travel. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Platforms like Seawall Financial for stocks and Binance for crypto are great places to start. Just remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Chapter 7, Affiliate Marketing. Promote, earn, explore. Ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's like being a digital salesperson, but way cooler. Basically, you promote other companies' products or services on your website, blog, social media, whatever your platform is, and when someone clicks your unique link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. It's a win-win. You're providing valuable recommendations, your audience is discovering awesome stuff, and you're earning money while you travel. It's all about finding the right products that resonate with your audience. Speaking of sharing your adventures, starting a YouTube channel is another incredible way to document your travels, connect with like-minded people, and potentially earn some serious cash. Now, I know what you're thinking. YouTube is saturated. It's too late. Wrong. There's always an audience for unique perspectives and engaging content. Find your niche, be consistent, and most importantly, be yourself. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel with ads, sponsorships, the whole 9 yards. If you're a native English speaker, or you've got a knack for teaching languages, online English tutoring is a fantastic way to earn money while you travel. Platforms like 51 Talk, Italki, and Bizmates connect you with students from all over the world. All you need is a stable internet connection and a passion for teaching. You'll be helping people achieve their language goals while funding your own adventures. It's a rewarding way to make a difference and see the world. Last but not least, let's talk about building a personal brand. This is the ultimate long game, but it can be incredibly rewarding. Whether you're an aspiring travel blogger, a vlogger, a photographer, or anything in between, building a strong online presence can open doors to brand deals, sponsorships, and a whole lot more. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Be authentic, be engaging, and be consistent. It takes time to build a loyal following, but once you do, the opportunities are endless. So there you have it, folks. 10 ways to make money while traveling the world. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that allows you to pursue your passions and see the world. Pick one or two of these methods that resonate with you, put in the work, and watch as your travel dreams become a reality.